Hello, I'm Sandra Miller. I work for Cutting Line Designs, an independent pattern company. I'm so pleased to be participating in the garment construction series of videos from Threads. I'm going to be focusing on making blouses in this video. Over the years, I've made so many sewing mistakes, generally because I was way too eager to finish my garment and get to wear it. In recent years, I've been teaching a lot of hands-on sewing classes, so I see the mistakes that my students make and the issues that they most often struggle with. I've developed a new approach as a consequence. I sew now with a great deal more accuracy than I used to, and I find that it gives me so much more reliable and professional results. I've become really excited about sewing with this new technique. So I'm going to show you how to make a man-tailored shirt, and I'll be showing you a host of techniques to deal with collars, collar bands, plackets for button fronts, sleeve plackets, cuffs, and a lot of other details. In addition, I'm going to show you a variety of garments so that you can see that once you've mastered these techniques, you can open up your creativity and go in a lot of new directions. Let's begin by looking at the pattern envelope.